Hey, it's Rob. Welcome to Axel's Garage. Today we're in Grandma Rose's house here with Amanda, and Amanda's been staying with Grandma Rose. She's how old is she? 39 plus.
Who? Grandma?
Grandma, 39 plus something. Grandma, how old are you?
39.
39. 92. So Amanda's been staying with Grandma. Grandma's bedroom is on the first floor of the house here in the back. And Amanda's upstairs, and the staircase going upstairs is in the front. So sometimes when Grandma needs to call for Amanda, she has to walk all the way from the back all the way to the front, and then go to the bottom of the stairs and yell for the biggest of the big dummies. This is the senior big dummy right here. The normal big dummy's behind the camera. So what we did was we went and did some shopping, right?
We did.
And we got a Hosmart.
He really likes that.
Hosmart. It's a residential personal intercom, they call it, or something like that. Made in China. Don't call me a racist. It's made in China.
Grandma's very excited about it.
Grandma's excited about it?
Yeah.
Grandma, are you excited about the intercom?
Oh, yeah.
So our problem looking for the intercom was we needed something where the grandma's end of the intercom was simple. Right, rechargeable maybe. That would be great if it didn't need
just one button.
Batteries, like one button. And everything we looked at was a base with a bunch of buttons, or a walkie-talkie with a volume.
Or the single buttons were like a call button, just like a beeping. But we needed an intercom where she could talk to me.
So,
I want to know who the dummy is.
who the dummy is?
Yeah, why didn't you say dummy?
We call Robbie the big dummy.
Oh, that's so stupid, isn't it?
Well, remember Sanford and Son?
Yeah.
You remember Fred Sanford? His son Lamont? Remember his son Lamont?
Yeah.
He called Lamont the big dummy? You big dummy! You big dummy! You don't remember that?
Yes, I remember that.
Well, that's why we call Robbie the big dummy. All right, it's got directions.
And you like that when he says that?
Yeah, it's endearment, affection.
Affection. It's a sign of affection. All right, so a USB plug doohickey. USB doohickey, which is the power supply. This is Amanda's end. This is the business end here. All right, buttons. Why do they have to have so many buttons? Monitor, group, power, call. I don't know what the buttons are for.
You could have that to multiple of Grandma's end.
Ooh, battery backup.
Unknown.
Looks like it might be a battery backup.
We didn't read the directions.
We didn't, but this doesn't look like a regular battery. All right, she's going to read the directions while I keep unboxing. So this is the business end. This is going to go up in Amanda's room. Should be Grandma's end. Yeah, here we go. Oh, and it's got directions too. So that it's two separate boxes packaged separately, then taped together. So same thing. We got a little USB. We got a wire for the USB.
It's an 18650 battery.
It's got a charging base. And we'll link this Hosmart, this whole system, and the batteries that you need in the description below. This is a charging base for the doohickey here. What would we call this? The transmitter. We say, yeah, it's.
That's more
Anyway, it's got a belt clip.
We're explaining to people what we got you.
It's got a belt clip and it has a neck carry
Lanyard.
lanyard. There you go.
So it's got a belt clip and a lanyard. So that Grandma Rose could actually wear it around her neck. Grandma, you can wear this around your neck if you want. Grandma,
Yeah.
you can wear it around your neck like the lady in the commercial.
Don't wear it to bed. You're gonna roll on it.
You don't want to wear it to bed, you put it on your night table. It's like a little pager here. So it's got a lanyard and a belt clip. I don't think Grandma's wearing belts these days. You wearing belts, Grandma?
No, she is wearing belts.
Oh, yeah?
None of her pants fit.
One pair of pants needs both.
All right, and this doesn't look like an on-off button. I don't think it's going to be.
No, I don't believe it has an on-off button.
No, it's just got this button right here in the middle. All right. All right, so Amanda's going to read the directions, and then we're going to test it out.
Hold the 0 and 3 button on the main unit simultaneously. You will hear a beep tone and the LED call button LED will begin to flash to show the registration states. Press the group button for 3 seconds to register. Then you will hear a beep tone that indicates the pairing was successful.
Now what do you have to do on that? I just did the 0 and the 3.
Okay, I did that.
I just did the 0 and the 3.
I know.
Now the call button's beeping. Or blinking. What I
The
do?
call button's blinking.
Yeah.
It didn't say it would do that.
Well, I don't think you did what you had to do on the other one.
Okay.
You just told me to turn the other one on.
I know.
Well, that's what I did.
What do I do now? Then you will hear a beep tone that indicates the pairing was successful. Press call and then 1.
Are you gonna make me read the directions?
Probably. What is call and 1 gonna
If only
do?
making a single call, calling a single sub, you may simply press the call button or the channel number on the main unit.
Yeah, but we
into-
haven't paired them yet. They don't know they're together yet. My dinner's done.
Hello?
So,
Hello?
Hello?
You have to talk into it more.
Hello?
There we go.
Hello?
Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Hello?
Wobby?
Dad?
Wobby?
Amanda?
Amanda! Alright, so our problem was, well, we really didn't have a problem. We looked at the directions. They're pretty simple, especially when you only have one. They call this a sub. So when you have one sub and one base, it's very simple. You do need to pair them together, and we were having trouble pairing them, following the directions, because the battery was completely dead. So we turned it on, and when we put it in the base, it was really like being off because it wasn't powered. And we sat here reading the directions again, letting it charge, and once it reached enough juice where it actually turned on, it made a sound or something happened. So then we went through the directions, the pairing process, which is real easy. On the base, give me the base, Robbie. So you turn your what do they call this? A sub. You turn the sub on, you turn this on, and then on the base, you press 0 and 3, hold it down for a couple seconds, you hear a beep, and the call button starts blinking. When the call button's blinking, it's in pairing mode, and then you hold really the only button on this, the center button, down for 3 seconds, and it'll give you a tone to let you know it paired. And I didn't even think I had it held down for 3 seconds, and it paired it, and now it seems to work. So if you press the call button from the base, this actually rings. You answer it by pressing the call button, and you have two-way communications. Hold this button down and it shuts it off, or hold the call button down and it shuts it off. The other way around, you press this to call the base. The base doesn't ring though, so there's no ringing on the base, but either talking
Just
starts
automatic,
automatically. So if you hold this down, you press it. Oh, you don't even have to hold it down. Right, and it comes up, does not ring. And then
Hold it down.
you hold it down, and it shuts it off. All right, the other way around, it rings. Oh, and it actually vibrates too. It rings and vibrates. All right. Whoop, and there you go. And then you just hit the call button, and it ends the call. Takes a second for the call to end, but there's no ringing going this way, which is really where the ringing should be. Right, because if you're using this to call for help, it should ring this way, not the other way.
It should, but it also just gives you the chance to just to talk.
be more for like quick access.
Yeah.
You know,
she presses it, she can immediately speak.
The
to
same
me.
man
right,
is like doing
okay.
something, but she hears the voice.
Right, and then this thing will blink. The ring around this button will blink every couple seconds. So you got that, Amanda?
Yeah.
You heard the whole thing? All right. And actually, interestingly enough, as we were reading this, you know, we're making fun of the whole Hosmart name or whatever it is, but which I don't know why they called it Hosmart, because the guy that invented it, his name is William King. So, but it's actually the story is that this family lost their grandmother to an accident in our home, so that's why they designed this this thing here to give convenience and peace of mind to you and the mature and elderly in your life. Wow, pretty cool. So that's why we actually got it. So now we got to get Grandma to we'll hook the lanyard up. We got to charge the battery though really good.
3 hours for a full charge.
All right, but we'll see if
She
we
doesn't
get it.
want the lanyard.
Just want the lanyard.
She wants it just in her room.
Actually, I think it works pretty good. So Amanda and Grandma will be trying this out, and maybe we'll give you a review in a few weeks and see how Amanda likes it.
So what is that contraption you got there? Is that for Mommy?
Right. Well, we're actually making a video right now of our the contraption here. It's called a residential home intercom, and we're doing an Axel's Garage video. So you're on video by way of FaceTime.
I don't understand that. I don't know what that means.
You can watch
I'm
yourself
with you.
later.
Okay.
So it's a residential intercom, so that when Mommy wants to call Amanda, she doesn't
Yeah.
have to walk all the way from her bedroom to the bottom of the stairs in the front of the house to shout up the stairs at Amanda. She could just hit the button.
Well, oh, see, so it's an intercom?
Right, it's an intercom.
Oh, I get you.
So-
Intercoms are good. That's a good thing, Mom. You don't have to walk. You could just press the button and talk into the intercom. You could have had one of those years ago, Mom. That's old technology. That's nothing new. You know, there's been intercoms been on phones for a long time, you know. We
This
just
is so
never
she doesn't
used
have
them.
to look at the buttons on
But
the phone.
this is just one button. There's no
Oh,
button.
that's
She
much
doesn't
better.
dial a number. It's just,
I know.
where's the thing here? Let me show you. All right. Can you see it?
Yes.
Okay. It's just one big button.
Oh, cool.
So
It
the
vibrates.
and you see the button here. It's the whole thing is a button.
The whole thing.
So-
Did you show her how to use it?
Well, we're in the process of doing that. Yeah.
She needs to do it a couple of times. Make sure
You're
she's
right.
she's proficient with it before you leave her alone with it.
Well, it's somebody's got to be in the house upstairs to hear it. Otherwise, nobody hears it. It only goes upstairs to where Amanda is.
Oh, you know the sound went down a little because Ted Cruz was just texting me.
And what did Ted have to say?
Oh, Jesus, they want money. They just want more money.
Because you send it.
Well, I only send money to Georgia, Mom. I gave up on the New York people, but I'm still hopeful for Georgia. So that's where I'm sending all my money right now, to Georgia.
See,
So
Devil went down to Georgia.
do I get to can I do a holster video while I got you on the phone?
yeah, yes, you want to make holster videos through FaceTime and a video camera. This is the most backwards way of doing anything I've seen here.
You look good, Mike. What's wrong? You said you needed a hairstyle. Your hair looks great.
Your hair looks good.
She's mortified.
You got the chandelier. You got the hair going on there. Did you cook today, Mom?
Yes.
What'd you make?
I made macaroni and it was delicious.
Oh my God! You already ate?
Amanda and Grandma
Yeah, they ate
ate
already. We were gonna have them come over and eat by us, but we're not eating until 6:30.
3:00. Hi, Amanda.
Hello.
How do you like it over there at Rosie's?
It's
that's
nice.
A great shot, Amanda. On either Rosie, Kay, come over here. You gotta see this. Anyway, you guys look great with the chandelier in the middle. Ma, I hope this is good for you.
I
The new contraption there.
Can you see the contraption? I got it all set up like a commercial.
Yes, I can. I see it all. I see Mom. I see Amanda. I see the contraption. Kay, you sure you don't want to see this?
It's called an intercom. Is it that difficult?
Oh, an intercom. Yeah. I used to have those when I worked. Intercoms.
Right, but that was a jailhouse intercom. This is a residential intercom.
I'm telling you, back in the early 60s, maybe late 50s, Aunt Mary and her husband Campton, they had intercoms back then.
in the house.
Yeah, they had them in
on
there.
the phone.
They even had them in their apartments. They had all the technology. The guy worked for General. He was like an executive with General Electric or something. Didn't he work for General Electric?
Westinghouse. They make light bulbs now.
Yeah,
Westinghouse,
TVs too.
right,
he was
right.
the big shot there.
Oh.
He was a bigger shot.
Yeah, see?
It was a bigger shot, yeah. All right, enough of this. You guys go on and have dessert or something.
All right, well, you got to watch the closing. Amanda's going to close out the video here.
Okay.
This is like a behind-the-scenes...
Shop at home.
A behind-the-scenes special guest appearance and actual Axel's Garage video wrapped up all into one.
Wait a second. Did my shingles get in the thing?
No, do you want to show what your shingles are?
No, I don't want to. I don't want to show. I don't want anybody to see my shingles. I had them 35 years ago. This is like the first half of my life. I got shingles, and 35 years later, I'm almost 70. I got shingles again. So no, it's not an old man thing.
That's crazy.
I had them when I was young, and I had the chicken pox when I was a little kid.
I had the chicken pox twice.
So it's not stopping. It's an ongoing thing. I think they just want to sell
The
vaccine.
injection.
Does that mean I'm gonna get that? And Dad's gonna get that eventually?
No, I don't. I
Who
never
knows? Who knows? It's a virus.
What am I saying
Herpes
now?
virus.
Like the China virus.
No, this is from herpes. What are you laughing? I'm telling you, it's from herpes. Now, I don't know where herpes is. Herpes could be in China for all I know, but herpes kind of sounds a little Greek. So this could be a Greek virus. I don't know if your girlfriend's going to get involved with it, but it's a herpes virus. Doesn't that sound Greek? Sounds Greek to me. Herpes, right? I don't know. I used to be into mythology. Greek is a very mythological. So, but Rob,
So is what?
your girlfriend will teach you all about mythology and the Greeks and Windex. She knows all about Windex. I'm sure she knows about Windex as well.
Windex.
Windex
Yeah,
solves
Windex.
everything.
The Greeks use Windex for everything.
Everything. Cleans everything.
Yeah, to
Windex
disinfect.
cleans everything.
Yeah. Mouthwash.
Cuts. Right, so this has been our unboxing of the Hosmart home intercom system. We'll be using it for the next few weeks, and Grandma will be back to do a review for you.
What do you think, Grandma?
Well, it's pretty good. What did I do? This afternoon I made pasta and we enjoyed it. Me and Amanda. And Robert helped.
Well,
Robert.
thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye. Have fun.
Love you guys.
Yeah.
Love you guys. Miss you guys. Bye.
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 Bye.